Do you need to sound like Ringo Starr in a pinch? Here's the drum fill for you. Super simple but slightly strange because, as most drummers know at this point, Ringo was left-handed, so we're actually partially left-hand leading this drum fill. 1 E, 2 E and left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Nice and simple, but super effective. If you want to come up with your own Ringo style things, just remember he liked to leave a lot of space in his fill, so don't go around chopping it up. It doesn't need to be that complicated. Leave space. Stuff like that. This kind of fill is everywhere, all over Beatles tracks. Now go away and enjoy, sounding like one of the most famous drummers of all time. Have a good day. Mwah.